KOKAN 600T is a multi-crop harvester with integrated KOKAN technology designed to harvest high-quality blueberries for the fresh market and other berries for individual quick freezing IQF processing. The three-wheel design allows a tight turning radius for better maneuverability. KOKAN 600T can harvest up to 2,000 kilograms per hour and up to 8 hectares per day. Our top-of-the-line product KOKAN 600T has many new features and improvements. It is self-propelled harvester and driving is controlled by the steering wheel and the joystick. Turning is done by standard rotating the steering wheel. You can find controller stick on the left side of steering wheel where you can engage horn by pressing top button. By pushing stick forward yourself you turning high beam headlights. Pushing it up or down activates turn signal for right and for left. Rotation of top part of stick once turns position lights on, and second rotation turns low beam headlights on. On MOFI controller screen you can find indication for turned on lights. Also on touch screen you can turn on beacon lights, working lights or hazard lights by pressing corresponding icons. There are 3 positions of joystick. Forward motion is engaged by pulling stick forward. Reverse motion is activated by pulling it backwards. And neutral position, no motion and motor is running, is done by placing stick in the middle. Current joystick position is shown on screen as an info, too. On MOFI controller screen you can choose fast or slow speed of driving by selecting rabbit or turtle icon. Speed in slow driving mode is max by 9 km per hour and in fast driving mode maximum speed is 18 km per hour. Engine speed increase or decrease can be done by pressing buttons on the joystick. Left for decrease and right for speed increase. Also this can be done on the MOFI controller screen by pressing icons. And here you can read the chosen value at the moment. Red button on joystick engage parking brake. Also you can use icon on MOFI controller screen. If parking brake is activated and we push joystick, error message shows on the screen. It says that we must be in neutral position to start the engine. Also when the motor is turned on and parking brake is engaged, and we are pushing joystick, another message appears and instruct us to move stick to neutral position and disengage parking brake before we can move harvester. Differential engagement for front, rear and all wheels is possible by simple tapping on corresponding icon on MOFI controller touchscreen. Disengagement of differential on all wheels is represented by grayed out icon. KOKAN 600T features manual and auto leveling of hydraulic cylinders. Individual activation of leveling hydraulic cylinders is done by pressing arrow icons. There are different settings for each wheel. You can read value of current cylinder level in millimeters also. For simultaneous activation of leveling hydraulic cylinders we can read the current level and set desired leveling value via arrows pressing. When the setting is done, press round button on screen and auto leveling will start. Both rising and lowering is allowed. Also you can activate auto leveling of harvester. This action uses skids for leveling and will rise or lower harvester based on skid position. Pitch and roll functions also can be activated by selecting rounded icons on MOFI's touchscreen. This function uses inclinometer for correct leveling. Operators on platforms also can manipulate with cylinder levels by pressing up or down switch near their workplaces. Also here they can engage horn to signal something to the driver, stop or start conveyor, and regulate conveyor speed. While driving KOKAN 600T harvester you can get assistance for maintaining the middle of the bank. front side mounted sticks detects position in relationship with the bank and signals via arrows on Muffy to which side, left or right, to correct the driving path of harvester. On bank exiting, we can engage one-click assistance, which rises the harvester to 200 mm, lowers values for engine and fan speed, pulsating and flow fingers, making operating much simpler. Parameters goes to higher values, again, after turning off this option. Cruise control can be activated by selecting icon on Muffy controller screen. Desired speed is set by changing its value via the arrows that appear, and can be increased or decreased in small steps. On screen you can monitor diesel fuel level, current motor temperature, battery voltage at the moment, level percentage of DEF liquid, fuel consumption in liters per hour and current engine load. To start main fan on harvester, you must increase motor speed and then by pressing button and slowly lowering hand lever for fan clutch control we engage it to walk. Reverse procedure is for shutting down main fan. Setting pulsator parameters can be done on Muffy controller screen using plus and minus signs. Desired value is shown under plus minus signs, and current rotation per minute's value is shown above them. Similar is for setting up flow fingers parameters. By using plus and minus signs, desired value is set, and readout of current rotations per minute is shown above them. KOKAN 600T may be equipped with camera system for monitoring of harvesting. One camera is located in the tunnel of harvester for monitoring of process of harvesting. Second is positioned to monitor exiting plants from tunnel, and third is mounted to monitor exiting fruit from conveyor. To start monitoring system, you first have to turn on switch located below Muffy controller screen. Camera views are on the touch screen on the left side of the steering wheel. By tapping on camera image you can enlarge it to full screen, and new touch will show screen with all cameras. By clicking on button with gears you can get some working info and no additional setting are needed. After container transportation, harvester must be retracted. Prepare forklift and position it on the right harvester side. Locate switch on the left side of harvester close to operator's position, insert a key and rotate it clockwise. Hydraulic system starts to retract construction to working shape. After retraction is done, place additional inserts on their places and connect them to construction with nuts, washers and bolts. Contact us if you need any additional help.